Welcome back on a Monday evening. Welcome to Empire Crypto TV. We are live here talking blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading and investing. All right, as usual, please indicate where you're watching this live broadcast from. Say something on the comment section. Do tell us where you're coming from. Mention your city, mention your area, mention your province, and mention your country if you're outside South Africa. All right, and of course, share this live broadcast to everyone that you know in your circle, in your team, in your groups. Crypto Cindy, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you, Crypto King?
I'm very well. How was the weekend?
Very, very short. Weekends have just become 2 minutes instead of 2 days recently. But anyway, we are just in the crypto space, so we are used to not sleeping and just getting on and on and on and having no rest. So just like the crypto space, our weekends just don't exist anymore. So weekend during the week and a Monday and a Sunday is just the same in the crypto space. We are forever smiling.
Oh yeah, we are forever smiling as you can see now. Good news. Bitcoin is moving up. As we can see, it's trading as far as 57,000 US dollars. It's been some
Mm.
time, it's been some weeks, it's been some months. It hasn't reached these levels. So these are good news to those who are holding Bitcoin, to those who are actually holding, investing in the Bitcoin. These are good news. I'll tell you, they're smiling. They can't, stay. They can't sit still without checking their wallets. They keep on checking their wallets. They keep on checking their portfolios. Everyone is a winner in the crypto space. All right, we can see all these other coins. Of course, they are not really much happy like Bitcoin, but they are following up. They are also following up. They are also holding up all these other coins. But yeah, um, big ups to Bitcoin, Crypto Sandy.
Yes, yes, yes. Bitcoin is just becoming crypto king day after day, just making sure that the throne goes nowhere. So it's just there making sure. So all the people that in the middle of the year were busy telling everyone that no, Bitcoin is going down, Bitcoin is going back to zero. We can just see exactly the opposite is happening in the crypto space. And crypto never lies like people. Crypto keeps serving its people the best way possible.
Imagine by the end of this month, crypto goes all time high. I mean, the all time high was 64,000 US dollars. So we are just few inches away, few levels away from 64,000 US dollars. So yeah, it's much positive. It's going. It's really much closer than you can think.
Yes.
All right. Great stuff. What's the discussion of the day? What are we talking about today, Crypto Cindy?
Today we are talking about spot trading.
Spot trading.
Yes. Today we're
Mm.
talking about spot trading. These are some of the words that we've been hearing a lot in the crypto space. As we all know, there is so much activity in crypto. We've been hearing about mining, we've been hearing about spot trading. There is just so much. We've been hearing about staking. So today, because we want to make sure that the people who are actually our viewers, who are our family members, are actually informed in the crypto space. So today we will be unpacking what spot trading is in the crypto space.
Great stuff. Welcome, Empire FM. We are live via Temper Crypto TV. We are talking blockchain solutions, cryptocurrencies, trading and investing. And of course, we want you to be the best trader, to be the best investor in the world. We want you to make millions, go into the crypto space and make those millions. It's really it's happening. People are coining it. People are making it happen. So yeah, you are at the right place at the right time. You just have to stand still, stay there, listen, learn, understand. Go onto our YouTube channel and subscribe. Find us on YouTube, Empire Crypto TV, and subscribe so that you can watch as many videos as you can. There's so much information that you can find on that channel that can take you from being a zero to a hero in the crypto space. Yeah. All
Yes.
right. Spot trading is one of those strategies that I would say types of trading strategies that are being used in the crypto space. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, spot trading is the most basic type of investment you can make. This essentially entails purchasing crypto such as Bitcoin and holding it until the value increases, or using it to buy other altcoins that you believe may rise in value. In this crypto spot market, investors own, buy, and sell actual cryptos. In simple terms, it is the underlying market where cryptos are exchanged. When trades are taken and settled instantly, it is known as spot trading. It is necessary that these traders are booked on the spot and not on a date in the future. In order to carry out a spot trade, a number of trading strategies are available in the market. Your spot trading exchange can also provide trading tips in order to make profit in spot trading trades. Spot trading can be carried out in stock, currency, and commodity trading. The deliver of price of the commodity that is priced at present in the spot exchange platform is the same as when you pay by cash and get the commodity delivered. In basic words, crypto orders are made and settled instantly. Crypto sending.
Yes, Crypto King.
What are the benefits of spot trading as far as you understand it?
So, as far as my understanding in terms of spot trading, the benefits firstly is now a lot of benefits can actually be available for both the buyer and the seller. So, you're not only focused on buying from one person, but there are a variety of people that you can choose from. So is the seller. The seller is not actually just going to pick one person or doesn't have one person to sell to. So there's a variety of people. So you can choose who you want to sell to or who you want to buy from. And then it's also a it's a platform whereby you can negotiate, so you can negotiate. Negotiations can take place between the buyer and the seller in terms of the volume, in terms of the price. So everything you can just negotiate right there and there on the spot. And another thing is that it's also in an accurate system which is transparent and regulated. So they're actually trying to cut out all these illegal activities whereby people will say, send money, I'll send you Bitcoin, or send money, I'll send you Ripple. And at the end of the day, they don't have that. So this is also something that is secure and transparent so that it's also regulated. And another thing is that the items are then handled and stored in a good condition. So you know exactly what you are paying for is what you'll definitely be getting. Unlike in the olden days where people would buy online, which still happens now, you'd order something online, you order a dress, next thing it gets there, it's something completely different. So this is also just to make sure that what you want, what you're paying for is exactly what you get. And it's also an average prospect is open, so you can actually choose whatever products that you want. So you're not only obliged to one product, but you choose the products that you want and what suits your needs at that certain time. So in the crypto space, you can buy the crypto that you want, not that you are forced to buy the certain crypto which is sold on that platform. There are so many that you can choose from, so it's up to you which one you want to choose. And it's also technologically advanced, which enables quick transactions. So by the time when you click buy on the phone, automatically it goes there instantly. So you don't have to actually to wait for some time where it says buffering and stuff, or your order will be received tomorrow. No, everything is done instantly and received there and there.
Sounds good. Sounds perfect. But how are the crypto investors reacting to this spotting?
Now, spot trading is actually a popular way for investors to access the crypto market, as it is just a straightforward form of trading. Now, it mainly just means that fiat to crypto trading as well as crypto to crypto trading is possible. Now, the strategy there is very simple. Now, you get your crypto wallet or the one that you prefer, whichever wallet that you want. You can then just direct all your things so that when the price increases, maybe you sell. Or if you want to buy, when you set the price that I want to buy at this certain price, you can do so. So as a seller, you set your price, you put it there. Once it sells, you just make your profits exactly like how it is. We're always prophesying that whenever you're selling anything, you make sure that you buy low, you sell high, so that you don't incur any losses.
All right. And what are the advantages of crypto spot trading? Of course, I mean, it's one type of trading that's so most popular, I would say. When you open most exchanges, they will you look there up top. It says spot trading, spot exchanges, and stuff. So, what are the advantages?
Okay, so the advantages of spot trading is that now by using this crypto spot trading, both the buyer and the seller now can actually benefit from there. So there's no one that's going to take advantage of the other. And as we said, that it's quicker transactions. So transactions are made and settled instantly. Now another thing is that it's also a very good platform whereby we know that all illegal transactions can be avoided. So instead of getting robbed or getting promised things which are impossible, now, with the spot trading, there is no such.
Mm. All right. Great stuff. Yes, Empire FM. We are live here at Empire Crypto TV. We're talking about spot trading as a type of trading or a type of investment. It's a strategy, I would say. Crypto scene, what's the difference between margin trading and spot trading?
Okay. So the difference between margin trading and spot trading is that spot trading is just your normal buying and selling. So that is our day to day what we use to. And then when it comes to your margin trading, now it's not the normal day to day. So essentially, the margin trading in one product is just a bet. So you bet on the price when you're doing margins. You're betting on the price, which you just estimate the price might go there, and then you take you take the risk of using borrowed money now to try and get a profit from what you are speculating.
Okay. But is it safe though? I mean, these strategies, some of them, you can actually lose a lot of money. But is spot trading safe?
Now, for the beginners, spot trading is just one of the best strategies which they can aid themselves in order to manage your risk, basically. Now, with the spot trading, as we said, it just needs consistency and experience to actually know more, just like any other thing. That's why we're always emphasizing on this program that people must do their own research to make sure that they're doing research and understanding what they're doing. So, another thing is doing research and making sure you understand what you're going into. That actually helps you a lot. Now, since the trade now also when you're using spot, the trades are coming out from your balance. So that's the balance, that the money that you have funded onto your account. So should there be losses, you are losing your money. Unlike margin, whereby on margin you are using someone else's money, which might also incur some interest. So if you lose that person's money, then you need to pay that money off. So remember, as I always say, everything in life is a risk. Just waking up in the morning is a risk. Exactly like crypto, exactly like spot trading. Yes, it is. There is a risk involved. We cannot guarantee you that you are definitely going to make profit because we know what happens in the market. The market fluctuates.
All right. Why is it called spot trading?
Okay, so the reason why it's actually called spot trading is that future trades in the contract are about to expire and sometimes are called spot trades. So since the expiry contract means that the buyer and the seller will then be exchanging the cash and whatever goods instantly. So this is the reason why. Because everything is happening immediately, instantly, that is the reason why it's called spot trading, because it's just instant.
All right. So it's just instant. Okay. All right. Spot trading. All right,
Yes.
Empire Crypto Firm, we are live here talking about spot trading. This is one form of trading strategy which is found on different exchanges, local exchanges, international exchanges. Also, they've got this spot trading as a type of a strategy. All right, breaking news. What do we have on the breaking news? What's popping up in the whole world?
Okay, now in the breaking news today, we have decided to look at what some other people people who are involved in the crypto space are actually seeing as which what they are foreseeing for the future of crypto. So it's not basically what is going to happen, but what people are speculating. So as per the CEO of BitMEX, there is a speculation that at least 5 countries will then be accepting Bitcoin as a legal tender by the end of next year. Next year is 2022. So by the end of 2022, at least 5 countries worldwide would have actually taken Bitcoin, not just crypto, but Bitcoin, because we are seeing wonders in the Bitcoin charts. So Bitcoin might be a legal tender in 5 different countries in the world. Now, Crypto King, do you think South Africa is one of those countries in the near future?
Yeah, look, look, I would not really back on that. I mean, you can see South Africans authorities, especially Reserve Bank, they're not really coming out backing up the blockchain and the cryptocurrencies openly. They're just behind the scenes. I mean, we only hear about SARS talking about regulating cryptocurrencies. Of course, SARS is coming from one big department, one group. They are all a group. SARS, reserve banks, and all the financial regulators, they are a group. I mean, they are in the same WhatsApp group. But of course, I would want to hear from them individually. I mean, I would like to hear from Kaiser Hanyaho talking about cryptocurrencies openly. What's the roadmap? Of course, 2 years back, I think he came and spoke about cryptocurrencies and say you shall not ignore them. You must ignore them
Yes.
at your own peril.
Yes.
Those were his words. Those were his words. But ever since, we don't hear much. I mean, there's not much engagement from these authorities. There's not much movement from these authorities. We only hear newspapers coming out, attacking left and right and stuff. But we want to hear from these guys openly talking about the roadmap, how
Yes.
they seeing the cryptocurrency market, you know. So at this point in time, I would not really vow and say we will be one of the countries involved in the
Yeah.
crypto space on that level. There are some countries, of course, that I believe they are taking this,
Yes.
hands on. They are actually more advanced when it comes to crypto research and stuff. I believe also, as an African country, in Africa, we're not really taking that stand to be the first to break these protocols. You understand?
Yes.
You're always behind the scenes and waiting for the big guys to make a move. Then we also just follow suit, of which we must, avoid that. We must move away from such tendencies. We must be the first breaking news, breaking standards. But yeah, look, hopefully one day there will be some people who have got the guts to really lead. Yeah, now we get into politics, but yeah.
Yes, but now one of the reasons why now the CEO of BitMEX has actually said that more countries will be jumping in and using Bitcoin as a legal tender next year at least. Now it's the reason because now most people are seeing it as something that can actually help developing countries a lot. Now the reason for that is firstly is because it's remittance. The second thing, which I think should have been number one, it's the fact of inflation. We know inflation is just too much in our countries. And we've also spoken about it before, whereby we're talking about that when the countries are busy now printing more money, it actually affects us as the citizens. So this also one of the reasons. And the third reason why he's actually given is that now the third factor is politics. Now, politics or any other rulers, we know they play a very big part in all their countries and everything that's going on. So, in order for the parties to actually stop thinking about themselves, but also consider the livelihood of their people, now crypto is the way to go.
Look, cryptocurrency market, or must I say blockchain, for a fact, is it's got a big platform in Africa. There's so much solution that can bring to Africa. I mean, remittances, like you just mentioned, inflation, also capping corruption and stuff. So these solutions, these fourth industrial revolution solutions, can actually help Africa up, especially when we talk about also inflation. I mean, cryptocurrencies can help with the inflation to a certain extent. But of course, like I said, in Africa, we're not really taking the bull by its horn every time. We're always two steps behind, or we always taking that precautionary measures approach. Our approach are very much calculated, especially when it comes to technology. But we're supposed to be in the forefront, especially with their blockchain, cryptocurrencies, man. They're finding us in the at a level or at a stage where we are all awake. I'll say we are all awake. We can see now we have got brains. We are no longer stuffed behind. We can see where the world is going, so we must take that stance. But of course, I would like to encourage all the young people, young geniuses, to really look into this, because we cannot go anywhere, especially when the young people are also doubtful of this technology. I mean, we can blame the oldies who are actually in the forefront of leading us in politics and other spectrums. But if also our young people are very much dependent, are very much ignorant of this technology, we shall not go anywhere. We shall not really crack anything. So we need more young people to really understand the fourth industrial revolution, um, tools, platforms, how they can actually turn Africa around, how they can actually turn things around. So yeah, we need
Yes,
more of us. We need more of our young people to get involved. Then we can move forward.
yes, yes.
All right. No, Christoph. Do we have anything that we can talk before the this load shedding strike us now? The problem with these days, there's so much load shedding happening
Mm,
around. It's disrupting our
too
programs,
much.
disrupting everything. Uh, it's not really healthy for our our programs. All right. Anything else from you, Crypto Cindy?
No, nothing from my side. I just want to tell people that the crypto world is definitely here to stay. So, people who have not entered the crypto space, make sure that you are learning about crypto and make sure that you will start very soon. And the soonest is now. So, start now entering the crypto space. Make sure that you do something worthwhile for not only yourself, but also generations to come. This is the place to be. And don't forget to actually subscribe on our YouTube channel. That is
All right, Christopher, are you still there? All right. Crypto Sind, I think she's gone because of load shedding. It's happening, guys. It's really bad. It's also disrupting our programs. But yeah, we still go forward, very much positive. Come on board the crypto space. Let's learn together, learn about strategies, learn about how to profit in this market, develop a skill of your own. There's so many skills that you can actually undertake in this market. There's so many people making money in different ways in the crypto space. Some are doing margin trading, some are doing spot trading, some are doing options trading. There's so much. Of course, there's so much. Yeah, we can actually understand that Binance apparently banned some of the strategies on the platform for South Africans. So, but there are so many exchanges that you can look into. One of the days next week, we're going to talk about different exchanges where you can find different products that you can actually profit from. So, next week, guys, stay with us. We are live every day, 7 p.m. We'll be talking about different strategies you can undertake in different exchanges because they offer different things on their platforms. So stay with us. We are live. Thank you so much for borrowing us your ears. Be with us. Go to our YouTube channel and subscribe. Press subscribe, and then do not miss our live broadcast that happens every day, 7 p.m. Thank you so much.